So I have this really old Deadlock on my front door, and I wanted to see if I could upgrade it to make it a smart lock. Yeah, so I found a SwitchBot Lock Pro on Adverts.ie for like €60. So I was wondering if could I just put it over this key and would it lock? Yeah, so it came with a keypad with a fingerprint reader as well, which is pretty nice. I put the key in with the bracket on, and it seems to look fine. I'm going to put this SwitchBot on. I have to kind of line up the key with the slot inside. Cool. It's quite nice actually. There's only 4 of these little screws that have to be kind of tightened on the side. It's kind of very easy installation. Okay, let's try it with the app and see how we get on. Oh, okay, pretty good, pretty good. This is the fingerprint scanner at the front as well. It's incredibly responsive, really impressive actually. I have to say, I'm very impressed with this lock. I will be keeping a key for the back door though, just in case for the first while, because I don't fully trust it, but it is quite nice. Yeah, so it does work with a DeadLock.